This company makes over $70,000 per month using Reddit. And I'm gonna tell you how you can make money using the exact same method. First of all, this is not an easy method. It takes a lot of effort and creativity to succeed using this method. And also it's gonna take about 6 months to earn significant money. But when you finally do make money, it's gonna be worth it. Step 1. Find a niche. The first thing you need to do is find a niche. For example, this company was about startups and entrepreneurship. You could target something that you're already passionate about, and if you're not passionate about anything, you could choose one of these niches which are currently trending. Step 2. Build a website. The website could be either a blog website which gives knowledge about your specific niche, like StartStory did, or you could use it to sell something that benefits people who are also interested in your niche. I'm not gonna lie, building the website is hectic, especially if you don't know coding. First of all, you need a place to host your website. If you are going the blog approach, Bluehost is one of the best in the market. After that, you can install WordPress for free, and then you can either make the website yourself, or you can hire someone on Fiverr for less than $50 to make you a website. If you are using the selling a product or service approach, it's gonna cost you a little bit more upfront, but you'll make more money sooner. You can use Shopify and get a free trial. However, don't expect that you'll be able to make a profit before the trial expires. Then you can choose a free theme and design it from there, but I highly suggest you buy a theme and then make something high quality, because unlike the blog approach, when you are actually selling something, you really need to convince the buyer that you are not a scammer. You may also need to make some graphics or cartoons for the design of the website, so make sure to leave some of the budget for that as well. Step 3. Make posts on Reddit. The company I mentioned earlier did all of its advertising on Reddit for completely free. Now it might take some time to generate traction, but once you figure out what works, it's gonna get you a ton of traffic to your website. First of all, you need to find subreddits that are in your niche and follow them. And trust me, whatever it is that your niche is, there is a subreddit for that. Once you do that, you need to build up some karma, so just post some stuff that are appreciated in those subreddits that are totally not related to your website. Your main goal is to just get some upvotes. After you do that, then it's time to start advertising. But this is the part many people get wrong. So how do you actually do this? There are 4 key factors that contribute to a good post. Number 1. Don't be a bot. Reddit isn't like other social media platforms. You don't need millions of followers just to get a couple thousand people to view your posts. But the moment you start to sound like a bot whose sole purpose is to advertise, you'll be banned from these subreddits, and even if you're not, nobody will actually visit your website because it's very scammy. Number 2. Provide value. This is the most important factor. If you want to get your post out there, your post needs to provide some value for that subreddit in order to gain upvotes, which will in turn suggest your post to many people. For example, StartStory posted small parts of their case studies which are posted in their website on Reddit to get people to read it. Then only in the very end, it links their website and simply mentions that if you want to read the rest, you can visit our website. This method will not only get you a lot of users to visit your website, but only people who are interested in what you are offering will go to your website, so you will have a high retention rate or a higher conversion rate if you are selling something. Number 3. Create amazing content. When you are making posts for Reddit, make sure that it is not repeated and someone else haven't already posted about it. You also need to put in a lot of research into your post and use language that is very human, so it's better to avoid using ChatGPT or any type of AI for the post. You can also browse the subreddit for viral posts and use that same structure to make your post as well to increase the odds. Number 4. Be realistic. Whatever it is that you're offering, don't over-exaggerate it. Reddit is not the place for that. And it will backfire, so just be honest. When you link your website, make sure to mention exactly what it is. If your post does get views but you get 0 clicks for your website, it's most probably an issue of what you're offering in your website, so you might need to change that. Alright, so that's pretty much the foundation of how you can make a good post on Reddit, but you're not done yet. When you do this for a couple of months, there will be a point where Reddit is just not sustainable anymore. This brings us to the next step. Step 4. Scale your business. When you get to this point, you are earning significant profit. So the first thing you need to do is to hire someone to help you manage the marketing process. You shouldn't stop posting on Reddit, but you should also use TikTok and Pinterest to bring in more traffic to your business. You could use paid ads as well, but it's definitely better and cheaper if you are able to use organic advertising. Again, these are good problems to have, so if you got to this point, it's most likely that you will overcome any problem. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. Remember that absolutely anyone can do this. You don't need to have thousands of followers on Reddit. You don't need to know anyone. If you can commit to doing this for at least 6 months, I can guarantee that you will make significant amounts of money. If you found this video useful, make sure to like it and also subscribe for more videos like this.